the number of molecules. One can write here particles also. Number of molecules in 100 gram water. I repeat, we have suppose 100 gram of water and we want to know how many molecules it has. So what is the data here? Data means what is given to you and what is asked. Mass of water is given. How many grams of water do we have? 100 grams. Remember, whenever it is asked to find number, like number of molecules, like number of atoms, then one thing is given. What is that thing? Avogadro number. Okay? So the value of Avogadro number, all of us know, is 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. Okay? And what is asked? Number of water molecules is to be calculated. Solution. Water is a compound or an element? It's a compound. So we have to show the working of molecular formula, molecular mass means first we'll find the molecular mass of water. All of you know it very well. H2O. 1 is the atomic mass of hydrogen. How many hydrogen? 2. 16 times 1. You know it very well. I'm not explaining. So it will become gram molecular mass 18 gram. Next. What is the formula? Just told you that number of particles. What kind of particles we have to find here? Number of molecules. That's why I write here number of molecules is equal to given mass upon molecular mass into Avogadro number. Substitute the values. What is the mass given to us? 100 gram. What is the molecular mass of water? 18 multiplied by 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. So now we will use what? We will use the scientific calculator. We will multiply first 100 by 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. Okay? So how will you enter into the calculator? Look at the board over here. If you don't know, you will write 100 multiply 6.02. Then you will press the button of EXP. Either it is the button of EXP exponent or it could be written like this. Okay? You will enter 6.02, then press the button exponent or this button if you have in your calculator. Then you will write 23 only. and then you will press execute. When you execute it, you will get the answer 6.02 into 10 to the power 25 divided by 18. Okay? Now you will divide the answer, whatever will be the answer that you get, by 18. So you will get 3.33 into 10 to the power 24. And then what will you do in the result? You write in the result that 100-gram water contains 3.33 into 10 to the power 24 water molecules. I repeat the question here. You have a particular quantity of water, 100 gram, and you have to find number of molecules in it. You can make the questions by yourself. Like, calculate the number of molecules in 700 gram of sugar. Calculate the number of molecules in 150 gram of glucose. Okay, or you can write like this, calculate the number of atoms in 100 gram of water. I'm sorry, 100 gram of any element. All right? Given mass, whenever it is asked number of molecules, this is understood, it will be given to you. Number of molecules to be found out. First we found the molar mass, the formula, we substituted the values, the value of given mass 100, molar mass is 18, 6.02, we multiply these two. It doesn't affect, either you first divide and then multiply, or you first multiply or divide one and the same thing, you will get the same result. Okay? So let's wind up the class. Next, we'll continue solving numericals of this. Solve problem number 1 and 2 also. Try on page number 23. You can see this assignment number 10 in your Google Classroom. Okay? That's all for today. Thank you so much. Take care.